Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. And in this particular video, we'll be talking about charts that you could use in the React Native. So the first package I have is React Native Chart Kit, and here you can see the examples which they are offering: line chart, bezier line chart, pie chart, bar chart, for progress, and contribution graph, whatever that is. You can just scroll down over here and you can go through the documentation over here and you can see the graphs like this, which you can use to represent the data on your app visually so that it is giving some estimate. I think whatever kind of graphs that we are in need of, I think all of them are present over here. You can just go through this and you can just figure out which one you want to use. Next is a React Native SVG charts. So when it comes to the React Native SVG charts, they're also having some examples over here. If you just go down, now these are some of the examples which they're offering. You can just go through the code and you can just pick up whatever you are looking for. Okay, so visual representation also plays an important role. But when it comes to the visual representation, you can show the visual representation mostly on the admin panel side or the admin level. But if suppose there are the graphs which demands data representation, such as the stock marketing app and all, so that time we basically make use of the graphs on the user side. Okay, so you can just use whichever package best suits according to your requirements, and you can just go ahead. You can just go through these two packages. I think whatever we are looking for, whatever we are in need of, everything is present over here. You just have to make use of it. So thanks for watching. This was all about graphs that you could make use of in React Native.